This is the microwave link design submitted by Ray Calvi Sherte. First is the objectives. To design a point-to-point path profile for microwave communication system. To develop a point-to-point terrestrial microwave link and to align the design with sustainable development goals. Next is the procedure. First is select the first site in accordance with the zoning ordinance. Identification of the second site ensuring zoning compliance and a separation distance exceeding 10 kilometers. Documentation of elevation data. Creation of data table in Microsoft Excel. Next is generate a graphical representations using Microsoft Excel. Obtain equipment datasheets from online sources. Perform microwave link budget calculations using the parameters specified in the datasheets. And creating a power level diagram using Microsoft Excel. Here is the path profile of my microwave link. Here is the picture of the transmitter location located in Buwang Malinaw Albay and the receiver location located in Pawa, Tabaco City. Next is the transmitter to receiver link, the elevation, total extended height, the line of sight, the F lower, and the F upper. Here is the data table needed to create the graph of the transmitter to receiver link. Next is the design specifications. The data here is located in the Google Earth. Here is the microwave link budget calculations. It is the solutions of the transmit parameters, path parameters, receive parameters, and propagation reliability. Next is the system figure with a calculated label. Next is the transmitter to receiver budget link calculation. The table here is based on the graph and based on the microwave link budget link calculation. Next is the transmitter to receiver power level diagram. Here is the graph. Next is the conclusion. The 10 kilometer 6 GHz microwave link achieves a clear line of sight and ultra high reliability using 112-meter towers, a Cambium PTP 820G radius, providing a robust and scalable connectivity solution for the Albay region.